Greetings of the day, boys and girls. Welcome to my channel Cruise Jobs Info. Today I am going to show you how we celebrate birthday on the ship when we are having dinner in the dining room. Let's come and I will show you today. And I'm sure that you're going to enjoy it. And if you love my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video channel Cruise Jobs Info. Let's come with me. All right, look at this, the happy birthday celebration. Let's go on the table to celebrate the happy birthday. Let's go.
Now we have the special, very special.
All right. All right, look at this. Hey, happy birthday, Anna. All right. Hey, look at this. Oh, she's so nice. She's so excited. Ah, look at this. What happened? No kiss, only hugs. All right. All right. This is a beautiful girl. Is very generous. She's giving hugs everybody. I wish I could stand in the line and instead of hug I could get a kiss also. Well, I will wait, no problem at all. Look at this, the beautiful people, the waiting and celebrating birthday. Hi, how are you? Okay. All right, can you hold for a minute please for me so that I can get a hug and a kiss? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday from the Bush to you.
Hey!
Happy birthday from the Ocean Blue. Hey! Happy birthday, may your wish come true.
Hey! All right. All right, happy birthday, Hannah. All right, God bless, take care. All right, boys and girls, I believe that you enjoyed the birthday celebration on the ship, and it was a beautiful celebration. A lot of people, they enjoyed it. And if you love this celebration, my video, and don't forget one more time, like it, share it, and subscribe my video channel Cruise Jobs Info. Have a wonderful time in the meantime and keep celebrating, and I promise you I will keep on bringing some more videos for your reference. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.